Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to present a project entitled Language Skill Assessment Design, Responsive Writing on Analytical Expression about Environment Issues. This presentation focuses on how we design an effective language assessment, especially for writing skill using an environmental issue as the main context. The project is developed to ensure that assessment is not only testing language accuracy, but also encouraging critical thinking, logical argumentation, and real design argumentation procedure, scoring system, and also the principle behind the assessment framework. We are going to be talking about assessment context, understanding target learner, material, and specific language skill assessed in this project. And then this is ability in producing an analytical exposition text, especially in a responsive writing format. Responsive writing here means students are expected to construct meaningful argument based on a giving issue rather than simple writing mechanically. The focus is on environmental issues, which are highly relevant in daily life. This allows students to connect language learning with real-world problems. The assessment also aims to measure how well students can organize ideas, develop argument, and use appropriate language structure in academic writing. Next. And then this is target learner and assess at scale. This slide explains who the assessment is designed for and what skill are being measured. The target learner are senior high school students, specifically grades 11. At this level, students are expected to already have basic writing competence and are ready to develop more advanced argumentative writing skills. The subject is analytical, assessed is responsive writing, which include the ability to construct logical arguments, organize a paragraph effectively, and use appropriate grammar and vocabulary. Okay, next slide, we will be continue with Nada Anissa.
In this slide, assessment design, the assessment is structured systematically to ensure clarity in instruction, scoring, and execution. It includes administrative produce, writing prompts, and a detailed scoring scheme. This design follows educational assessment principles that emphasize fairness, clarity, and alignment between learning objective and evaluation tasks. Administration and instruction, students are required to write their identity, including name, class, and student ID. They are given 13 minutes to complete the writing task. The expected test length is 150 to 215 words. The structure must include the thesis, arguments, and a conclusion. The format can be paper-based or digital. Authentic writing prompt. Students are asked to write an analytic exposition text titled "The Crucial Need to Reduce Plastic Bag Usage in Daily Life." They must include at least two arguments such as environmental, pollution, and marine life threats. The task is authentic because it reflects real-world environmental issues. The next slide will continue by Devinta.
Okay, the next slide, scoring rubric. The rubric includes 5 criteria: content, organization, vocabulary, grammar, and mechanics. Content carries the highest weight, organization evaluates structure, vocabulary assesses word choice, grammar focuses on accuracy, mechanics include spelling and punctuation. Next slide, 5 principles analysis. The 5 principles are practicality, reliability, validity, authenticity, and Westback. This ensures the assessment is effective, fair, and meaningful for learning improvement. The next slide, practicality and reliability. Practicality refers to ease of administration with simple material and limited time. Reliability ensure consistent scoring, structure, and rubric, reducing subjectivity among assessors. Next slide, validity and authenticity. Validity ensure the test measure real writing ability. Authenticity ensure the text reflects real-world communication, especially environmental issues that are globally relevant.
In this slide, Westbeck and team contribution. Westbeck refers to the positive learning impact, improving student writing and critical thinking. Team contribution ensure equal participation among group members during presentation. Okay, the next slide. Salsa Mutia.
We're going to be talking about sample essay scoring. This slide shows a sample essay about plastic bag and its evaluation. The student performed well in content and organization with minor weaknesses in vocabulary. Feedback encouraged tactical variety improvement. And this is all from us. In conclusion, this assessment design effectively evaluates writing skill while promoting critical thinking and environmental awareness. Thank you guys for your attention. Thank you for our group. My name is Halsa and my friend Nada Anissa dan Devinta. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.